Suresh Kumar, Sukhija Accounts Teaching. Today we are going to discuss goodwill, its definition, essentials, and methods of evaluation of goodwill. Change in profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. When a new partner is admitted in the partnership firm, the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners changes and share of goodwill paid by the newcoming partner is shared by old partners in their sacrificing ratio. If an existing partner gains, he will also have to pay his share of goodwill on the basis of share and goodwill paid by the newcoming partner. Now we are explaining the change in profit sharing ratio with examples. First case is when it is silent. Silent means he does not say anything about the ratio. For example, X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner for 1/4 share. Now, after giving to Z 1/4, balance of X and Y would be 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. X new share would be 3/4 into 3/5 is equal to 9/20 because old ratio of X and Y was 3:2 and Y new share would be 3/4 into 2/5 is equal to 6/20. New ratio would be 9/20 is to 6/20 is to 1/4. That is 9 is to 6 is to 5. And old ratio would be 3:2. This old ratio 3:2 will serve as sacrificing ratio. Number 2. When Z gets his share equally from both the partners. Now example, X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner for 1/4 share and Z gets his share equally from both the partners. Now sacrifice of X and Y would be 1/4 into 1/2 is equal to 1/8. Now after giving to Z 1/4, balance for X, balance would be 3/5 minus 1/8 is equal to 9/40. And Y new share would be 2/5 minus 1/8, 11/40. Now new ratio would be 19/40 is to 11/40 is to 1/4. 19 is to 11 is to 10. And sacrificing ratio would be 1 is to 1 because the new coming partner taking from both the partners equally. Third case, when Z gets his share from both the partners in a particular ratio, suppose 3:2. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner for 1/4 share, which he gets from X and Y in the ratio of 3:2. Now sacrifice of X would be 1/4 into 3/5 is equal to 3/20 and that of Y 1/4 into 2/5 equal to 2/20. X new share 3/5 minus 3/20 9 by 20. And that of y, 2 by 5 minus 2 by 20, 6 by 20. New ratio of x and y and z is equal to 3 by 20 is to 2 by 20 is to 1 by 4. That is 3 is to 2 is to 5. And sacrificing ratio would be of x and y 3 is to 2. Fourth, when after admission of z, new ratio is given, x and y are partners sharing profit or losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. They admit z as a new partner and the new profit sharing ratio has been decided as 9 is to 6 is to 5. Now we are calculate sacrificing ratio because new ratio is given to us. Sacrifice of x 3 by 5 minus 9 by 20 is equal to 3 by 20 and sacrifice of y 2 by 5 minus 6 by 20 is equal to 2 by 20. Therefore, sacrificing ratio is 3 by 20 is to 2 by 20, 3 is to 2. Now the next coming accounting treatment of goodwill. When the new coming partner pays his share of goodwill in cash, cash account debit to premium, being share of goodwill paid in cash by the new coming partner. To goodwill here, when he pays in cash, we also call premium. So you can write premium or you can write goodwill. Then the next entry is premium account debit to old partner's capital account or old partner's current accounts if capital accounts are fixed. If in the question it is given that the capital accounts are fixed, then instead of transferring to capital account, we will transfer to current account. Share of goodwill transfer to old partners account in their sacrificing ratio. When share of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners capital or current account debit to cash account. Whatever their share is coming, they will be withdrawing that money, being share of goodwill withdrawn by the old partners. Number 2. When the new coming partner pays less than a share of goodwill in cash, in that case, whatever share of goodwill he pays in cash, rest amount is taken from his capital account and total amount is transferred to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Whatever he pays in cash, cash account debit to premium. Then second, premium account debit, new partner capital account debit to X partner to X to Y. New coming partner capital will be debited with the amount which he could not pay in cash. Third, when the new coming partner cannot pay his share of goodwill in cash, but a goodwill account is raised. The new coming partner says that I cannot pay my share of goodwill in cash, and therefore in that case the firm has to raise goodwill account. The goodwill account debit with total value of goodwill to old partner's capital account in old ratio, being goodwill account raised. In this case, total goodwill will be shown on the asset side of the new balance sheet. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. I assure you that if you go through this or listen it very carefully 2-3 times, you will not need any coaching and you will be expert in admission of a partners. Thank you very much.